So, pwede na ako magtrabaho sa airline company siguro.
Try the seatbelt by pulling loose end.
So, yan yung tarmac na... Hey mga kalaks, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. If this is the first time that you visited my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell para you will be updated every time that there is a new video upload in my YouTube channel. In this vlog mga kalaks, I will be sharing with you our flight experience when we flew via Cebu Pacific to Boracay. So, I will be sharing with you yung mga bago sa pagbiyahe o paglipad under the new normal conditions. Ano yung mga bago sa proseso, ano yung mga kailangan i-prepare, at ano yung kailangan mga ayusin na documents or ihanda na documents na hanapin sa inyo sa airport.
Tapos yung isa sir, lalagay mo po.
Okay. Paano siya kukunin dito?
Mag-trap.
Kahit anong yan. So, pwede na ako magtrabaho sa airline company siguro. So, pila tayo sa bag drop. So, after sa self-check-in kiosk nila, naka-issue na rin ng baggage tag. So, now, the next step will be to the baggage drop dahil meron tayong ano. So, let's go. Caticlan. Alright. Gate 1, 3, 4 na no. 12:20 boarding time. Salamat. Ingat. So mga kalaks, bago pumasok uli sa security, merong chine-check doon. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung chine-check, yung boarding pass. For Cebu Pacific lang yata yan. Chine-check yung boarding pass, saka hindi ko alam kung ano pa hinahanap. So kaya may pila dito sa labas ng security. So mga kalaks, tapos na kami sa security check. Papunta na kami sa boarding gate. Terminal 3 na. Okay. Ito yung una. So yun mga kalaks, ang hinahanap yung health declaration form naming tatlo, tsaka yung copy ng air ticket. Yeah, 20 kilos. Isa lang?
Isa lang po.
Ah.
Pera, gadget,
Wala.
basagin mo na.
Wala.
While waiting to take the chart, if you have these items inside your bag,
Wala.
you're not allowed for handling. Liquid more than 100 grams. For Ma'am Sharon, Angela, Sir Richard, links up for the bag, your seats, boarding time, and gate 3. Just go straight and turn left.
Alright, thank you so much. Very good. So yun mga kalaks, nakatapos na kaming mag-check-in and nandito na kami sa waiting area for tawag nito, for our flight back to Manila. It's pretty easy yung process dito sa Caticlan Airport. Medyo naman siya, less complicated I guess than yung process sa NAIA pag magbo-board ka ng flight mo going to Caticlan. So pagdating sa airport, ang hinanap lang ng check-in counter is the health declaration card na may QR code. Ayaw nila yung yung naka-screenshot lang na QR code. They want the actual health declaration card na naka-attach yung QR code. Then the what they call that, yung valid ID ng passenger, and that's it. They will already issue the boarding pass. Tapos pagpasok naman din ng security check, separate yung line or yung area for girls or women sa men security check. So now iniintay lang namin yung aming boarding time, which is 12:05 PM for our 12:50 flight going to Manila.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight
crew Captain Tuason and First Officer De Leon, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu.
Thank you mga kalaks for watching my vlog until the end, and if this is the first time that you visited my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and hit the notification bell para you will be updated every time that there is a new video upload in this channel. Thank you.